What's up, guys? In today's video we're talking about the product LE LampUX. We're going to do unboxing, reviewing, and installing. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay guys, let's do the unboxing. Sorry, that's the only thing I have. So that's what we have when we open the box. That light is going to be Wi-Fi working with Alexa, Google. The light, it's going to be Multicolor, and it's going to work with a cell phone. So let's do the installation. Okay, so you need to go on Google app and install the app LE space LampUX. This guy here. When it install, me already installed, so just need to open it. And voila. Again. Sorry guys, I need to cancel. I'm not going to show my password. Okay, they asked me add a device. That's going to be a bulb. I need to install the network. They asked me the network. Sorry, I'm not going to show you that. This is personal. Et voila. After that, they asked me turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. So we're going to do that. Okay, make sure the lights blink on and off, on and off. Next, they're supposed to blink really fast. Confirm. Yes. Next. Okay, people, something. I need to tell you really something. When it's time to install, please read this guy here. They're going to tell you something really important. This light doesn't work on 5 gig, only on 2.4 gig. No 5 gig, only 2.4. Please don't forget to install your Wi-Fi on 2.4 gig. After that, when it's already installed, you're done. Et voila, you go. You need to wait a little bit. Et voila, that's the panel. That's what you're going to see. Going down, going up. You can change the color if you want. And this, you can go back, white again, and let me show you. Okay, so now it's time to play. Bring down a little bit. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I take my finger. I'm going to change the color. This is red. Kind of all the way to blue, to red. Coming back. If you want, Nice and like that. Working when it's time to work. A little bit brighter. Read. Soft. Oh, this is nice. Going back. And let's fun a little bit. And white. I hope you liked this video about that light. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up. See you on the next one.